Mads, and this is my TouchDesigner project. My goal initially for this project was to use a PointCloud, and I wanted that to represent either a 3D object or image of some sort. And then let me take you through my algorithm here, and then credit to PJ Visuals on YouTube. He helped me create this algorithm I'm about to explain. For stylistic changes, I'll explain at the end, as I took some creative liberties on the color, so it looks quite different from what we covered in the video. So I have two main rows here. This top one is going to grab the colors from the image that I picked, which was this default flower image. That one takes the colors and converts it into chop values, whereas this bottom row, it combines the colors with some extra noise placed on top. And the noise, as you can see, pulsates on its own. And then this row, it will convert all of that into chop values. This will be used to define where the z-axis should be. As the noise pulses back and forth, so will the image, as you can see here. And then moving over here, the values are merged, and the RGB values of the image and the Z displacement from the noise are all overlaid in the back image. And then in Geo is where I made some of my personal changes. As you can see here, instead of doing RGB like we did in the video, I changed G and B values to be TY and TZ, and I noticed this created the gradient in the back. As you can see, like up here is a different color from the box down here. So I liked adding a little extra quality to the image other than just the flower. And then these two, the solarize and the feedback edge, I added in as personal touches as well. It creates this really, the solarize creates really unique colors, so I found a color scheme that I liked, and I went with that after adjusting some of the values here. And then for feedback edge, it creates that weird, like, web-like effect you can see. So that, in combination with the point cloud and the pulsing of the noise, I found really interesting. So I added this as well, and I messed with some of the variables here. And then, yes, so this is the project, and another aspect of it I added in as well is if you want it to not be the flower image, I can take out this line, disconnect, wrong line, sorry. Take out the line here, disconnect, and then instead you can use your web camera. So it's a little bit hard to see due to all the filters, but that was me, and it creates this cool, unique effect. So I liked that having the web camera option gives more of a moving 3D element versus the 2D. Is also very cool, but lacks the movement that is possible here. And yes, that's my project. Thank you.